Hi guys, how to download Spider-Man 2 on PC. Now open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and search for the official Steam website. Download and install Steam only from the official source to avoid fake installers. Once the download and installation are complete, open the Steam app, then either log into your existing account or create a new one. This step is essential, so don't skip it. Use the search bar on the Steam website to type Marvel's Spider-Man 2 and open its official game page. Here's a pro tip. Make sure you're on the correct page and not a fake listing. Scroll down to the System Requirements section. This step is very important. Verify that your PC meets both the minimum and recommended specs for RAM, processor, and graphics card to avoid crashes or refund headaches later. Click Add to Cart, then click View My Cart, and finally click Continue to Payment. Keep watching because the next step shows how to save money before you pay. Navigate to the payment page. Before finalizing your order, look out for official Steam sales like summer or winter sales to get the game at a discounted price. After purchasing, your game will be added to your library. Simply go to your library and click Install to start playing. Hit subscribe for more gaming tutorials.